Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Trello with Google Calendar. So the first thing that you need to do is simply go and log in into your account. So you can go to Trello.com and make sure you're logged in into your account. If you're not, go and create an account or log in into it. Up to you. So now you'll have to go to a board that you want to connect, as example, to your calendar. So for me, as example, I guess this is already logged in to calendar. Okay, it's not. So as an example, to integrate it with Google Calendar or to add it to Google Calendar, all you need to do just go to Power Ups right here. If you didn't find the Power Ups right here, you can click on the three dots at the top right corner. Here, make sure to scroll down and click on Power Ups. Close the menu now. And here, all you need to do just go and type Google Calendar. So calendar, click on see all results. Here you'll find different apps, a lot of apps. You might get confused on which one you should choose. Normally, you can choose the one that has the most like downloads. And if you find the one the same, you can simply click on it and read what it gives you. So what it offers, what this app offers. For example, here, maybe you like this one because it offers another benefit than the other one. So just look for the one that suits your needs. An example, once you find this, maybe an example, this one, you can simply click on add again. If you go here to enable, it should be added right there. And now you can simply access it from your board. If you click on power ups, you should find this right there. As example, click on it. And yeah, you'll have just to authorize it. And let's just wait a little bit. Click on allow. And yeah, as you can see, you can view now Google Calendar and Trello or sync Trello cards to Google Events or both and click on start and you should be good to go. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.